Did you know the average person spends over 10 minutes a day grinding spices manually? That's a lot of time. What if I told you there's a better way? Introducing the Sweet Alice electric grinder. No more effort, no more wasted time. Simply flip it and enjoy freshly ground spices instantly. With adjustable coarseness and a built-in LED light for precision. These grinders make seasoning effortless. Say goodbye to inconsistency and hello to perfect flavors every time.
Salt and pepper grinders, they're all electric, and we're gonna see which one I would recommend after showing you all the features. Let's get started. Now this salt and pepper set is by Sangpon store. It's similar to the last one, but it has some differences. First of all, it is a 9-ounce capacity. It is electric salt and pepper. It does light up. Inside, same thing, it's going to use 6 AAA batteries. I do love that it adjusts the coarseness level on salt and pepper depending on how coarse you would like it. And it is a gravity fed, so when you turn it upside down, it automatically senses that and will actually turn on automatically and light up with the blue light. It does have a transparent silo so you can see what is coming out. It adjusts the coarseness level as well as has an upgraded motor per the specifications, so this is a really great choice. This is the 4T7 electric salt and pepper grinder set. This one is battery operated and is full stainless steel. I do love that this is adjustable coarseness, so it goes from fine all the way to coarse, and there's plenty of settings in between. Now, I do like that this one is a press on the top. It's not a gravity fed, but as you press on the top, it will actually disperse the salt or pepper. This measures 8.7 inches tall, so it's compact. It does hold 95 milliliters capacity, so that's 32 grams of black pepper and 72 grams of sea salt. It does have a transparent basin, which is great, and I do love that the stainless steel is kind of fingerprint proof. I've been touching this grinder and there's no fingerprint marks on it that I have to get off. And I'm going to show you the 2 levels of coarseness, from the finest all the way to the most coarse, and you adjust that just by turning the bottom all the way, and there's plenty of settings, so you can go from very coarse to very fine in just a twist. This is a very nice set. I do recommend it.
Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Click the link to shop now.